It is pitchy selly day. Most of the time, if you've been on the channel or you've been in the newsletter and things like that, I try to provide helpful information, particularly around generative AI, artificial intelligence, data science, analytics, etc. And very, very rarely, usually once or twice a year, do a big sales push to sell something. Usually it's a book of some kind or course, whatever. But for the most part, most of my content tries to be educational first. Today is not that day. Today is hardcore sales pitch day. It is December 13th, 2023, and today is the doors opening on the Generative AI for Marketers course. This is a course I put together for Trust Insights. It is 5.5 hours of me with more than a dozen exercises broken out into digestible chunks for every aspect of generative AI for marketers, for people who are just getting started or who are for a little bit along the way. Now, here's who this course is not for. If you are writing code today in Python or R, and you are saying, okay, well, which style of retrieval augmented generation should I be using? And should I be using Chroma or Pinecone? This course is not for you. Right? If none of those words made sense, this course is for you. You're not going to learn that in the course. Just to be clear, that's advanced developer stuff. But if you know what Pinecone and ChromaDB are, and you have a very solid handle, and your company's already using AI across the enterprise, and you've got an AI council and all that stuff, the course is not for you. You're not going to benefit from it. Wait for some of the more advanced stuff. If you know how to do sparse priming representations, and you know how to do vector embeddings and moving vector embeddings across different memory spaces, the course is not for you. The course is for people who are trying to figure out generative AI within a marketing context, but also within a management context. So how do we pilot this stuff? How do we talk about it? How do I sell someone in my company on the idea of using AI? What examples can I show them? What use cases or categories of use cases can I show a stakeholder to say, this is why we need to use this stuff. This is why we need to be on board with this stuff. That is who this course is for. It's for you if you need to sell AI internally. It is for you if you need to learn generative AI. You learn how to build good prompts. Learn how language models work at a high level. No, not technical stuff, but at a high level, how these things work. Learn what the risks are and how to mitigate the risks of AI. Things like copyright, things like hallucination, things like bias are in there. Learn what's happening right now in the field and where this stuff is going. Probably where it's going right now. The course is for you if those things are true. The course is for you if you have, maybe I would say, you're using AI, you're using it right now in some capacity. Maybe you're writing content with it and things like that, but you're like, gosh, I feel like there's more we could do with this than just cranking out blog posts or emails. Then the course is for you. If you're saying, I need some templates and some ideas and some structure and some processes for being more productive with AI, the course is for you. If you're saying, I want to know conceptually where this is going so that I can prepare my company or I can prepare my career for how AI is going to impact it, this course is for you. If you're doing SEO and you are curious about how AI is going to impact that, this course is for you. So that's kind of who it is and who it is not for. As of December 13th, it is $7.99 for a single user to take the course. And again, 5.5 hours. It comes with, I forget how many lessons, a lot. In 15 chapters, it comes with the downloads, sample data. So even if you don't have the example data that we talk about in the course, things like a conference call to transcribe or something like that, I provide sample data for you so that you can try it without having to dig around your company for it. A really nice workbook that has plenty of space for note-taking, plenty of space for you to write down examples, and once you've printed it out and done the exercises, you can hand it off to a stakeholder and say, look, here's the thing. We did the thing. It's not just some dude talking head at me. I actually did the thing, and I can demonstrate the expertise. You get a certificate of completion. Why take this course over other courses? Because it's a blend of strategic and leadership stuff, along with nuts and bolts, get your hands dirty, get fingers on keyboard time. A lot of courses tend to be one or the other, and that's fine. There's nothing wrong with that. But this course I built specifically to be a good combination of management, leadership, and fingers on keyboard. Let's do the thing. You'll be you'll be hitting pause a lot to do the thing, because I want you to come away from it with a book of examples that you've done, that you can show your stakeholders, here's what I got out of this course. And really important, that you have those skills now, that you have your own prompt library, that you have your own templates for all these things. The course is essentially a full day workshop. Right? So I teach this workshop typically for companies and settings of 20, 30, 40 people and so on. Like the largest I did was 161 people, and those workshops cost between $35,000 and $70,000 for the day, because it's essentially a full day of just getting people in a room to do the thing. If your company doesn't have that kind of money right now, put the 3 people that you want to through the course. It's a lot less expensive than $35,000. So that's what's in it. The first lesson is a preview. It talks about a lot about what's in the course. So go sign up for it. Try the preview. See if you like it. See if it sounds like it's good for you. And then if you do, great. There it is. And if you think, no, maybe this isn't for me, that's totally cool too. But it's available today. I will say, I have put together probably 24 workshops in the last 10 years for analytics and data science and all this stuff. This is the one that I am most proud of. This is the one that I feel the best about. Like, you will get so much value out of this course. You will walk away, not just, you'll feel good about what you did, but you will actually have those skills, right? And I can't emphasize how important it is to have that experience and to walk away with skills in your pocket. So go to trustinsights.ai/AI courses, and you will find the welcome page. Take the preview, see if you like it, and if you do, great. And if not, leave me a message, let me know. And I look forward to seeing you really get a handle on generative AI, amplify and amp up your skills, and be one of the top people in our profession who is good at this stuff and can guide others and be the rock star in your company, in your team, among your peers. So go and take the course, enjoy it. If you've taken it, let me know. Join our free Slack community. Go to trustinsights.ai/analytics for marketers and let me know what you thought of the course. Good, bad, what you would like to see different, better. There's going to be a follow-on, at least for sure, one on advanced prompt engineering that will get much more technical. That will probably be coming in the spring. Well, I forgot to mention one other thing with the course. We're going to give it updates at least quarterly, because otherwise this stuff goes out of date really, really fast. Although I would say probably 75% of the course is foundation stuff. That stuff probably is not going to change unless the architecture of language models wildly changes in that time. But there will be updates, particularly for the what's coming next section. So you get 365 days access. From the day you sign up, you get 1 full year. And so as the updates roll out, you'll be able to take those updates as well. Thanks for tuning in. We'll talk to you next time. If you enjoyed this video, please hit the like button. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And if you want to know when new videos are available, hit the bell button to be notified as soon as new content is live.